Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Modern sliding wooden doors have become a popular design element in contemporary homes and interior spaces. These doors offer a seamless blend of functionality and aesthetic appeal. They are known for their sleek and minimalist design, often featuring clean lines and natural wood finishes that add warmth to any room. What sets them apart is their space-saving feature. Sliding doors guide along a track, eliminating the need for clearance space required by traditional swing doors. This makes them an excellent choice for rooms with limited square footage for areas where optimizing space is essential. Whether used as room dividers, closet doors, or even exterior entrances, modern sliding wooden doors add a touch of elegance and a sense of openness to interior design, creating a harmonious balance between function and style. Their versatility in design combined with the natural beauty of wood, making them a choice that seamlessly fits into a wide range of contemporary architectural and interior style. In addition to the interior space-saving attributes, modern sliding wood doors offer an array of customization options. You can choose from various wood types, finishes, and even incorporate glass panels for a more open and airy feel. The sliding mechanism ensures a smooth and quiet operation, adding convenience to your living space. Whether used in bedrooms, living rooms, or as an entrance to an outdoor patio, these doors provide a touch of sophistication and a connection with nature that complements modern interior design beautifully. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.